With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is the number of paramagnetic species among the following is, and the species given to us is O2, CO, N2, C2, CSO2, BaO2 and CO2. So let's discuss. First we'll be discussing about paramagnetism. So the paramagnetic species will contain number of unpaired electrons. It should have number of unpaired electrons. Like if we consider, if there is odd number, if the addition comes out to be odd number, then it is definitely paramagnetic, as there will be a electron, as the one electron will be unpaired. Like if we consider in d orbital, if the configuration is d3, then it will have 3 unpaired electrons. Like if we make this here, so it will be 1, 2, 3. So it will be like this. So the number of unpaired electrons is 3 here. So they will show paramagnetic behavior. Now in the question, the number of species is given. So let's discuss about these. So we'll be calculating the number of valence electrons present here. So one oxygen atom has 6 number of valence electrons. 6 electrons. So 2 oxygen atoms, that is oxygen molecule, will have 6 into 2. So the number of electrons here is 12. So as we can see, this is an even number. All the electrons will be paired here. So it won't show any paramagnetic behavior. So this CO, the valence electrons in carbon is 4. And it is 6 in this oxygen atom. So it will be 10. Again even number. So it won't show paramagnetism. The CSO2, so the CS has 1 electron. And this O2 will have 12. 6 into 2 to 12. So it will be 13. So now this is an odd number. So this will be paramagnetic, as 1 electron will be remaining, which will be unpaired. So this will show paramagnetic behavior. Now N2. If we consider N2, then there are 5 valence electrons. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So 10 electrons are present. So again it is even. It won't show any paramagnetic behavior, as all the electrons will be paired. Now the next C2. So here it will be 4 into 2. So 8 electrons. So again this is even. It won't show any paramagnetism behavior. Now the next one is BaO2. So the Ba has valence electrons of 2 and oxygen will be having 6 into 2, 12. So 14 electrons. So again this is even. So it won't show paramagnetism. So in CO2, 4 valence electrons of carbon along with 6 into 2, 12 electrons of oxygen. So it will be coming out to be 16 electrons. So again this is not paramagnetic, rather it is diamagnetic, as all the electrons are paired here. Now let us check. The question was number of paramagnetic species here. So we have seen only CSO2 is paramagnetic here. So the number of paramagnetic species in the following is 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.